In the dim light of the hive, a single bee began an intricate dance on the honeycomb. This wasn't just any dance. It was a sophisticated form of communication known as the waggle dance. The bee moved in a figure-8 pattern, wiggling its abdomen vigorously during certain parts of the dance. Other bees gathered around, attentively watching and decoding the message. The duration and angle of the waggle relayed precise information about the direction and distance to a nectar source. Incredibly, this tiny creature could convey complex navigational details more accurately than some human maps. The foragers, now well informed, quickly set out to collect the nectar, trusting the directions given by their dancing comrade. Through this remarkable dance, bees exemplify the extraordinary intelligence embedded within the natural world.